Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off Do Not Disturb mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. The easiest and the fastest way to do it is to simply swipe from the top, and by default our Do Not Disturb should be somewhere in this menu right here. We tap it once and our Do Not Disturb function is turned off. But if this shortcut is not there, we need to go to Settings, then we're looking for Notifications, where it is here, Notifications menu, and Do Not Disturb is right here. As you can see, turn it off, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.